Today, we're diving into the world of chic and smart wearables, with a face-off between two stellar Garmin watches, the Venue 3S and the Lily 2 Classic. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. First things first, the looks. Both the Venue 3S and Lily 2 Classic are round and ready to impress. The Venue 3S goes for a sporty vibe with its fiber-reinforced polymer and stainless steel bezel, featuring 3 physical buttons and touchscreen. On the flip side, the Lily 2 Classic opts for elegance, boasting an anodized aluminum case and bezel with a button-free touchscreen interface. Now, let's talk colors because we all love a bit of flair. The Venue 3S gives you choices like slate stainless steel with pebble gray, silver stainless steel with sage gray, and 3 more with soft gold stainless steel and French gray, dust rose, and ivory. Now, the Lily 2 Classic doesn't slack off either. You can snag it in silver with a sage gray nylon strap, or go all out with a dark bronze case and a snazzy mulberry-colored leather strap. And hey, for the cream gold lovers out there, you've got 2 options. One with a cool coffee-colored nylon strap, and the other rocking a tan leather strap. Oh, and the best part? You can mix and match as you please. Now, that's what I call style options. Time to gaze into the displays. The Venue 3S boasts a vibrant 1.2-inch AMOLED display, while the Lily 2 Classic flaunts a slightly smaller 1-inch TFT LCD display with 16-level grayscale and features patterned crystals, emphasizing a minimalist and elegant interface. And don't worry, both are protected by the trusty Corning Gorilla Glass 3, because accidents happen, right? When it comes to sensors, the Venue 3S is a powerhouse. It's equipped with a Gen 5 Elevate heart rate monitor, accelerometer, altimeter, compass, gyroscope, pulse ox, ECG, thermometer, and more. GPS? You bet, with built-in support for GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. The Lily 2 Classic, keeping it essential, offers Gen 4 Elevate heart rate monitoring, SpO2, an accelerometer, and ambient light sensor. Relying on connected GPS, it's about balancing basics with style. Now, what exactly can these bad boys do with all those sensors? The Garmin Venue 3S is a fitness powerhouse, offering wrist-based heart rate tracking, pulse ox monitoring, and advanced sleep features like sleep coach and nap detection. With a variety of activity profiles and even skin temperature monitoring during sleep, it's the go-to for health enthusiasts who want all the details. On the flip side, the Garmin Lily 2 Classic, though smaller, focuses on essential health tracking. Perfect for yoga and Pilates lovers, it covers stress tracking, body battery, abnormal heart rate alerts, and menstrual cycle tracking. While it might not have all the sensors of the Venue 3S, it's a great choice for those seeking a balanced mix of functionality and simplicity. In a nutshell, whether you're into advanced metrics or a more straightforward approach, Garmin has you covered with the Venue 3S and the Lily 2 Classic. But here's the catch. Lily 2 Classic leans on your smartphone for GPS and lacks ANT+ connectivity, unlike the Venue 3S. The Venue 3S, a solo act, even allows you to store music on the watch and make calls with its built-in speaker and microphone, a feature absent in the Lily 2 Classic. Oh, and both support NFC for easy contactless payments via Garmin Pay. Because who needs a wallet these days? Charge it up. The Venue 3S takes the crown with up to 10 days in smartwatch mode and 20 days on battery saver, not to mention the GPS endurance. The Lily 2 Classic holds its own with a solid 5 days, perfect for a week of non-stop style and fitness tracking. Now the moment of truth, the price tag. The Venue 3S comes in at around $450, offering a feature-rich experience. Meanwhile, the Lily 2 Classic is more budget-friendly, starting at around $250, making it a stylish steal for those who want smart functionality without breaking the bank. If you've made it this far and found the comparison helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more such videos, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which Garmin watch caught your eye, the Venue 3S or the Lily 2 Classic. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.